everyone. I hope all of you are safe, healthy and fine at home. Today we will discuss about three major and main topics that are health, hygiene and safety. All these three topics are very much important in our life. And in today's scenario, that is COVID-19 is spreading like anything throughout the world. And these three are very important nowadays. Like you have to maintain proper health, hygiene and safety. Safety measures you have to take it. You have to have a good immunity to fight from the coronavirus and also to maintain basic health hygiene and social distancing. Without further ado, let's start with the first topic, that is.
Now here you can see few words, and why they are written like this? Because they are correlated with each other. Here safety, hygiene and health, they are directly related with each other, and there are few other words you can see like infection, sanitize, contamination, wash, germs, care, cleanliness, disease, everything. So now all these words and many more are related with each other either directly or indirectly. Like if you take care of your health and hygiene and take measures and precautions about the safety, then you will be away from any disease and contamination, and also you can stay away from germs. You can care yourself, you need to wash your clothes, your hand, and you need to bathe regularly. And while we are talking about the COVID-19, that means you really need to take precautions very in a vital way, because in this scenario it is very important to be healthy. Now so let's take a look about the basic points that how to be safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. I need your attention over here, kids, so be attentive. Let's see what are the few steps that we can take. Steps to be taken for the safety during COVID-19. Stay away from the playground for the time being. Yes, you need to stay away from the playground. Don't go outside, play inside instead. If you have to go out, then keep in your mind that while coming back home, sanitize your belongings, wash your hands with soap and water, and immediately take a bath. Don't be scared, but be alert instead. Stay away from crowded places. You really need to take care of all these points, and always keep in your mind, if you have to go out because of some reason, then please sanitize yourself while you come in.
Now the next topic that we are going to talk about is health. Now when I am talking about health, I am not talking about physical health. I am talking about mental and physical health and also emotional health. So now when we are locked down in our homes and in the COVID-19, we cannot go outside. So you have to take care of your mind and emotion and your physicality as well. So for the physical health, you need to exercise regularly. You need to take sunbathe, means from the sun we get vitamin D. So all of you know it is very much important for the immunity. It will boost up your immunity like anything. So this is the part for the physical health. Now for the mental health and emotional part, always do something creative. Do not just lag behind and sleep. You are just staying at home, so you will sleep at home. No, you have to do something which is productive, which is creative. Whatever your hobbies are, it can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be art and craft, it can be anything. Explore that. And by exploring, I mean you really need to do some research work on the topics, and then you start doing it. It is the best time, I would say, to explore your hobbies and make it your passion. So I am going to talk something about the health issues that we all are facing nowadays, and why it is so much important during this period of time in COVID-19 to take care of our health, not only the physical health but the mental and emotional also. You will get to know.
Now, there are some tips to remain healthy during the pandemic. You need to stay focused in productive and creative work during this time to enhance your mental and emotional productivity. You need to eat healthy like fresh fruits, vegetables, etc. Drink lots of water regularly. Don't forget to sunbathe as it provides vitamin D to your body. Exercise regularly and stay fit. Exercising really makes your mind, body, and soul fit, not only the physicality but as a whole.
Now the next topic is hygiene. So when I'm talking about hygiene, I'm talking about personal and social hygiene. So suppose I'm talking about personal hygiene. What does it mean? It means that like when you are maintaining yourself in a very hygienic way, like you are not touching your face repeatedly, you are washing your hands with soap and water repeatedly, you are using sanitizer. When you are entering your home, you are putting your clothes aside to wash it. You are not touching anything or grabbing anything which is from outside or while you are entering the home. So these are all the basic small steps that you have to maintain and you have to follow if you really want an hygienic and healthy life. So now what is social hygiene? Social hygiene, we all can maintain it, like social distancing. These words have been used in the media repeatedly, that maintain social distancing. And what is social distancing? It is just maintaining the hygiene, like you are not going towards someone and standing very close to someone so that the virus can spread very easily. So maintaining that hygiene is also very important. And there are few points that we will discuss about the hygiene that you will get to know.
Now, how to maintain the hygiene? Maintaining hygiene is very easy. You can also do it. Maintain personal hygiene as I have told already. Follow social distancing. Do not touch your face. Wash your hands repeatedly. Do not cough or sneeze into your hands. Help your elders to clean around the house. Try not to eat any fast food from outside. Take precautions while handling anything from outside. Like while you are handling anything, like anything is coming inside the house, do not go and touch it. First to keep it away from some time and then you can touch it afterwards. Like you have to clean the surfaces, tabletops or the benches or the chairs which are being touched every day. So to maintain that hygiene of the place that is surrounding you, and also you help your parents to do so. Encourage your friends, your parents, relatives and neighbor to maintain the personal and as well as the social hygiene. Always wash your hands, sanitize your hands repeatedly. This will not only help you but the whole society.